little weird. Turbo's blown or what, but I guess the stinger is down. He's gotta rip it out of here, please. Oh my god. Cop right there. Oh no. Oh shit. That's so fucked. Oh fuck. Volkswagen. I remember the first time I ever ran one of those was with the K5, and that's a Singer turbo. This thing pulls now with the intakes, exhaust. Hey, what's up guys? Thank you so much for tuning into another video. It's Frankie, and we came out to the Origins car meet hosted also by Sheepey Race. Honestly, I'm so excited to see all those twin turbo Lamborghinis and all those other cars they got going on. Let's go check it out. We got this baby parked pretty far. I'm kind of scared. Everybody's ripping out of here, and I really don't want nothing to happen to the car. Literally on the way over here, a rock hit the windshield and cracked the shit out of it. Let me show you guys real quick. Right there. Now there's a huge crack that I'm gonna have to fix. Oh my god, and another one right here. Wow. The roads are like so bad. There's so many rocks, and the car in front of me kicked one up and it cracked my screen.
Hey, what's up?
Got fresh kicks Nismo Z. That thing looks so sick on welds. God damn. Damn, this GT350 looks so good. Oh my god. Audi R8. God damn, dude, there's so many dope cars. This is the one we saw last week. Clean Gap Patrol Hellcat. That shit's crazy. Dude, that thing looks so menacing. Wide body Lambo. This Audi goes so hard, and it's twin turbo. Damn. This color looks good. Might option this as well for a color that we might do on the Stinger. Dude, this cream color looks so good. Damn. I'm gonna option this as well as a color. Damn, I really want to do purple now. Manifold's huge. Supercharged. That'd be my favorite car right now at the show. Porsche GT3 RS. Carbon fiber hood in white. It's just so clean. Damn, man. 325s. Literally is what inspired me to put the wing on the Stinger. Fuck, man. This thing looks crazy. Forged diffuser and wings in satin black. This thing is reminiscent of the Stinger. Might have to run an RS5. See how it compares to the Stinger. Oh shit, we got a Stinger out here. God damn. Oh my god, and on Mickey Thompson's. There's no way. This is literally the tire setup I wanted to do, but I didn't think was possible. Dude, this thing looks crazy. Eddie's GT. Seeing it in person, this thing looks so sick. And I didn't think this was possible. And he's got Mickey Thompson's on the freaking Stinger. That's sick. Sheepey Race beanie casually laying on the floor. About to go cop something. Might get a shirt. Lamborghini heading out. I like that color. Orange. Dude, this Audi R8 looks so sick. Wide body Lambo, Willie scrape. Oh. Oh my god, dude. That Lambo sounds crazy. Got another Lambo. Look like some Tokyo spec. So clean. This car reminds me of It's Just a 6 when he barely got his GT350. This thing's so nice. God, and supercharged. Damn. Rip it, please. On some fat tires. Slammed S13. Will he do it? Will he bless us? Everyone's moving up towards just to see. I think he's gonna hesitate. There are cops. Will he rip it? There's a fucking cop right there. Oh no. Oh shit, there's a cop right there. How would they not let him know? That's so fucked. Oh fuck. Why would they not let him know? That's crazy. They'd end up pulling him over. That sucks. I don't know how they wouldn't let him know that there's two cops literally chilling right there. Trailered this SVJ all the way from Montana. Rip it. There we go. The boys are here. GTR's been shooting flames for like a minute non-stop. That's crazy. See that, but the fumes are literally in the air. That's fucking crazy. Oh my god. Man, this thing goes. Damn, that shit was chopping. Dude, that is loud. Holy shit. A stinger. Let's go. KDM family right here. Will he bless the crowd? He's gonna do something. Launch control. Running. God damn. Someone threw a bread on the floor, I think. Everybody was running for this Viper. That thing was popping. Will he bless us? Look at the crowd. God damn. GTR is so nice. King Supra. Damn, this wagon pops. Holy shit. Crazy to think I watched this on YouTube and I'm inside. That's fucking crazy. Literally, I watch Sheepey Race all the freaking time, and to be inside is just a crazy feeling. GT3 RS, fuck, that thing looks so nice. Damn, this Lambo, satin matte black, looks so menacing. See a Lambo tear it apart like that is crazy. Look at this one. Fat tires. Being inside in person is such a crazy feeling, and honestly, I didn't think it was this big. Like, damn, showcase cars look so sick. Miami blue might have to do that color. That color just stands out. GT. God damn. I'm definitely now gonna be putting out more videos because this is so inspiring. It's very motivating and inspiring. I mean, look at all the cars in here, and just honestly, you can't grasp the feeling of being in a shop that you guys watch on YouTube and seeing all the cars. It's just wild. I'm so happy I came out. It was definitely worth it, leaving work early, and it's just so surreal being inside of the shop and meeting Alex too. Got to talk to him for a little bit, and honestly, it was definitely worth it. Definitely got a rip one on the way out. That felt a little weird. Car felt weird, like it boosted, and then in the middle of accelerating, it just cut off a boost. There's definitely not a vacuum leak. That felt very weird. That pull you guys just watched, I literally had to stop at the gas station because the car just won't accelerate. It hits like 8 pounds of boost and it just cuts off completely. I don't know if a fucking turbo's blown or what, but I guess the stinger is down. There's no way. This shit literally bogs like crazy right now. I don't know what's wrong with it. I'm gonna try to head home like that, but so far no check engine lights or anything, so I mean, I don't know what the hell's wrong with it. Literally won't accelerate after like 5 pounds of boost or PSI. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think might be the problem. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.